Section 1, Video 5. So let's take a look at some examples. Using the rules we just talked about, here we have two terms being multiplied together. So I can multiply the numbers together and get 15. The a's can get multiplied together, and we said when we have bases being multiplied, we add exponents, so it's negative 2 plus 4. So our answer is 15 a to the second. Next example, here we have a power, or a term being raised to a power. So we said we would distribute that power if inside is a product, which it is, 5 times x squared, which would give us 5 to the negative 2 power, and x, we have a power raised to a power, which means we multiply, so we get negative 4. And that brings us to one of our other rules, dealing with negative exponents. This is over 1, so we would need to move terms with negative exponents to the opposite position of a fraction. Well, all these terms are in the numerator, so we would move both of them, and we would get 1 over 5 squared now, x to the 4th. And you can actually square the 5, so we go 1 over 25 x to the 4th. And that would be simplified. Now you could have done this another direction if you so choose, and I'll do that just for your preference. Since it's over 1 and you have negative 2 power right away, I could have done this right away. Oops, excuse me. So I would move all of this to the bottom part of the fraction. Only my outer exponent changes, and then I would continue from there. But again, it gets kind of fuzzy if you're not careful with this, so choose the method which is most clear to you. Another question, we have 5y to the 3rd. This is over 1. If you notice, only the y has the negative exponent. So that would be 5 on top, y cubed below. The 5 does not move because it's not being affected by the negative exponent. Another one. Anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. And that's the good news there. So a lot of different rules being applied here. You have to make sure you learn each rule, make sure you understand how to use them, and be very careful about applying them. Little mistakes happen a lot if you go too fast and aren't careful. And this ends section 1, video 5.